So we're elevated to Taringa Medical Centre. $1,220 kilograms, 18 persons. It is an Otis 2000H. Schindler copycat. Stop on test. Works. This is at Taringa Medical Centre. Very Schindler-like, and everything from COP to doors. Basement has a red button. Now let's do a mid-treble stop button test. Speed and very smooth stop. Or did I not do anything? That time I didn't have to hold it for it to be effective. Doesn't cancel pause. Very graceful reaction. And featuring our Australian specific Otis concave buttons. Pretty quiet, and the fan gets in the way, but you can just barely hear the motor. Buttons, door controls, and phone field focus. There you go. Let's get a closer look at those key switches. Yep, pretty typical of an Otis of this era. 31F0625 machine number. Eats the indicator, which displays right aligned numbers, just like the one in Queensland Museum parking. There it goes. That's it.